Let's start our journey of AI-powered online classroom. If you are a teacher, first you need to create a classroom, and we will assign you an ID that you can share with students. Your student just needs to log in the app and enter the ID to join. You can schedule, conduct unlimited live classes with several students. Featured with live chat and poll. You can also create multiple types of tests, and that automatically share with students. And you get a complete performance analysis of each student result. You can create and share study material. You can also create, share and evaluate assignments. You can manage fees and directly receive payments into your account. There are many more features that you can explore. So, come and educate.